I test out a lot of Amazon products, and these are my favorite videos to film because these are the best of the best in all categories for the past couple of weeks. Welcome to the must-have Amazon finds you didn't know you needed. I just feel like we have hidden gems in today's video, and make sure to stay tuned to the end because I'm covering home, I'm covering lifestyle, beauty, as well as fashion. So like always, everything will be listed down below in the description box in order that you see them in today's video. It should correlate with the number that pops up on the screen. Grab a cup of coffee and let's jump in. I'm extra excited for this video because there's been a bunch of new releases to Amazon and they've been so good. So kicking it off with this 12-piece pot and pan set. You guys, first of all, it is stunning, is it not? It's a ceramic cookware set. It comes with lids and it's basically a complete cookware set that you don't need to have a ton of other pieces with. And it stacks so nicely in your pantry, helping to save space. So if you're low on pantry space, maybe you live in an apartment, this little set is perfect. I got in the gorgeous cream color. It does come in a black and a navy as well. Love that it's non-toxic and it just covers all of your bases. Also, you guys, it comes with detachable handles, which I'm telling you is an absolute game changer. You can lift these in and out of the oven, which makes it so convenient. So not only is it aesthetic, the price is really good, but it is so functional. Never thought I would be so excited over a little screwdriver set. I saw this newer find to Amazon. So it comes with an electric screwdriver and then it comes with a whole set of attachments. So I can't even tell you how many times a week my little guy brings like toys that their battery has died in them. So I'm always just trying to find like the right bit top and things like that. And this makes it so handy that it comes with a little case that holds all of your necessities inside of it. And then you can just charge this. It's easy to use. Love that everything is interchangeable with this. And it's just like a great handy item to have around the house. Here is just a cool little kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed. So this is a little vegetable fruit egg slicer. So it comes with the little slices on the inside. You just press it down on like strawberries, bananas. You can use it for grapes. I love using this for chopping up eggs. Makes it so much less mess-free and it will fill up. So then you can just dump it onto the plate or whatever you're using. It's great for little kiddos, cutting things into smaller sizes. So it comes in a pack of 2 and it's a kitchen favorite. I decided to upgrade my coffee bar with this new K-Cup spinner. I love the way that this looks. It has this gorgeous acrylic holder that holds 36 K-Cup pods, easy to assemble, and it looks stunning sitting on your countertop near your coffee maker. So if you love coffee, you use K-Cups on a regular basis, consider snagging this one. Again, a new release to Amazon. And speaking of coffee, if you are into drip coffee, you have to give the Allegra Coffee house brand a try. So I love it because they're organic, and right now I'm only drinking decaf because I am expecting. And just in general, I feel like it helps with anxiety and things like that. I am telling you, this makes the best, most flavorful, more bold decaf coffee of all time. They do have regular coffee as well, which is insanely delicious. I love this brand. Like I said, it's organic. And if you didn't know, coffee has a lot of pesticides in it. So I love to opt for organic when I can. And one of my favorites from Amazon, the Ember mugs. This is basically a temperature controlled mug. So if you find yourself never being able to drink your drinks fast enough, they get cold, maybe you're a mom and you just have to reheat your coffee multiple times a morning, you don't have to with this. So it's temperature regulated and it will keep your drink at a steady temperature all morning long, all day long, which is great. I am such a drink person. I love coffee. I love tea, hot chocolate, all of the things. So this is just a hidden gem. And it does come in a few color options. It's so sleek. I love it. This is the kitchen find I truly wish that I bought sooner. So it comes in a pack of 4. They're glass dishes that also come with lids. So I only grabbed the 2 smallest ones just to show in the video. But you're like, what's so special about these? Well, basically anything that you cook, you can put these in the oven, great for casseroles, if you bake something, whatever. And then when you take it out and you cool it, you can just put the lid on and you can put it in the refrigerator, which is such a game changer. You don't have to worry about getting getting out like 5 or 6 different Tupperware tops and trying to get all the leftovers out. And I find with these glass dishes, they're so much easier to clean than other bakeware dishes I've used. So that's a huge bonus in and of itself. But like I said, it comes in a pack of 4 and then 4 of the lids. Jordan and I are like, what did we do without these? I cannot contain my excitement over these new Alexa glasses. So they literally just launched on Amazon and they are genius. So basically this is just going to help you manage everything in your life in style. So obviously they are glasses. You can use prescription or you can just do blue light blocking. I was so hesitant about these at first because as you can see, the sides are a little bit thicker and basically you can play your favorite playlist. You can answer phone calls. It's Alexa controlled. And I was like, I feel like other people are going to be able to hear my music and they cannot. Like, it is incredible. The sound quality on this, the technology is so cool. You can literally make a phone call without having to even look at your phone. You can be at a coffee shop and you can hear them call your order up without having to like turn your playlist or your music off. And of course, you can ask it like you would ask Alexa anything. So I love these frames. There's a few frame options to choose from. I really liked the darker rim on this, the rectangle style. So right now I just have the blue light blocking, which is great for work, but I'm going to put my light prescription in them so they're just more functional over time. But is this not such a cool little item? I didn't realize how handy a foldable laundry basket was until I had one. I love it because laundry baskets are bulky and I would have them previously like sitting on top of our washer or dryer. And I love these because when you're not using them, you can just push them down. You can slide them behind your dryer and just makes for a much more clean laundry room. But just in general, I think they're great to use, easy to use, and clean. Recently got this 4-in-1 colander mixing bowl. I love items that basically have multiple functions in one, making just like less clutter in your space. And this one is great. I love washing fruit in it. Great for pastas. Also a really great salad spinner too, which I know I feel like in the spring and summer, I always ramp up on salads because it just feels fresh and feels right for spring and summer. So this little item comes in a few color options. It's so beautiful. You guys know I am obsessed with the Mrs. Mouth stain remover. It's non-toxic, great for little kiddos' clothes, but they actually just came out with a shoe cleaner. And this is free, it has no peroxide, chlorine, phosphates, parabens, or fragrances. So basically, how do you use it? Your little kiddo's shoes, you can use this on your shoes. It's just multifunctional. You want to remove any like visible like chunks of dirt or anything on the shoe, but then you just spray it like you would anything. And then the key is to gently rub it with like a little washcloth or even like an old toothbrush or something, and you will be amazed at how brand new your sneakers look. I know sometimes it can be scary throwing sneakers in the wash because they can shrink and things like that, but this is a parent essential. Let's talk some beauty products. So specifically lashes. You guys know I am just the biggest fan of the Grande eyelash serum. It's the best eyelash growth serum, moisturizing, it doesn't irritate my lids. But recently they had launched a few mascaras in different items. I love their conditioning mascara, but they just released a primer, which I'm telling you, if you have not used a primer in the past, I don't go a day without using a primer. It makes all of the difference. It's how you get those really long looking lashes that are full, and it also helps with flaking. So this one is a gem. It's basically a lengthener, so it helps even give you more length than what a typical mascara would be. It helps give it a little bit of tackiness too. I feel like it is it's a perfect base then for your mascara. And this is their new fanning and curling mascara, you guys. So what I feel like makes this so different from other mascaras is the wand. So it has this special technology to really help fan out your lashes when you're putting it on while also giving it that volume. But all of like Grande's products are infused with all these healthy ingredients to help your lashes over time, which I just think is absolutely genius. Definitely give this one a try. They also just came out with a waterproof one for summer, which is great. So if you feel like you have trouble getting your mascara off without like damaging your lashes, or you just get like those dark circles under your eyes, check out their new Vanish, which is basically just a makeup remover. It's infused with the jojoba oil, vitamin E, and different peptide complexes, and it's not greasy, which was key, or irritating. I feel like my eyes are extremely sensitive, so this is non-irritating. Works without pulling out your lashes. I just take a little cotton ball, I'll kind of just like gently pat on it, rub it a little bit, and then you wipe it away and it's gone. With over 67,000 nearly 5-star reviews on Amazon, I've just been on a journey of doing my nails at home. I want to just be more effective. I don't like personally sitting in a salon for an hour and a half to get my nails done. So I've been experimenting a lot. If you want to follow over on Instagram, we have so much fun. I've been sharing my journey over there, as well as you just check out daily deals, which is really fun every single day. But this is a nail strengthening cream. It smells so amazing, which is just like a side little fact. But if you have weak, thin, or brittle nails in general, this is the best. You just take a little bit out, you massage it into your nail in your cuticle area, and helps to moisturize it. I like to do this before bed. That way it's not just like rubbed off throughout the day when I'm like washing things and cooking and such, but amazing, amazing product for strengthening your nails. And I have been back on the kick of these Ultra Shine gel nail strips. Dashing Diva is the best. I kid you not, you guys. These last 2 to 3 weeks, and I am in the water all of the time with cooking with my toddler, all of the things. So the Dashing Diva brand is my favorite. This is actually, I just saved a little container, but I have this like little navy set on. It's been on for over a week now, and there's not even one that's like slightly starting to come off. And then I did pick up this really pretty gray one, but comes in tons of color options. I just get them on Amazon. So easy to apply. And then there's no wait time afterwards. For all of my friends with a blonde hair, you guys know I've used Unite brand detangler, and that works with all hair colors, but specifically they just launched a new Blonde Fixed Repair Tone Seal. I'm obsessed with this. If you feel like your hair gets brassy, kind of gets a little bit orange or yellowy in between when you get colors, this is amazing. So you just shampoo your hair, and then I'll use this as my conditioner. But not only does it give you more of that cool blonde look, it also conditions it and nourishes it and just makes your hair feel like you were just at the salon. So this is a treatment I'll do like once every 2 weeks, and it's been amazing. I have to mention my Verb Ghost Oil. Just used this last night. Gives the healthiest like just look and sheen to your hair without weighing it down at all. I am always a person that was like, I will not use oil in my hair. I like to have lots of volume, don't like a lot of product in there. I'll just take a little pump of this, apply it from here down. It doesn't have any of the bad ingredients in it, no parabens or sulfates, which obviously is healthier for your hair in general. But it has this special oil in it that's very lightweight, which basically over time helps just the longevity of your hair, repairing it, damage, and things like that. It truly is a ghost oil. It lives up to the name. The only earrings I think I've been wearing are these new little huggy earrings. So I put the hoop in my first hole, and then it connects, and you have the little diamond in your second hole. So it's kind of like you're wearing a stack without needing to have more than one jewelry item. It's so lightweight. I can sleep in these. I love the gold. These were like trending, going viral on TikTok, and I was like, I'm gonna give those a try. I thought they might be annoying because they're like a set. I wish I bought them sooner. And they do have a few different styles that you can select from, so make sure to check out that product linked down below. All right, some fashion favorites we cannot go without talking about. First of all, are gonna be these no-show underwear. Every 6 months, you should be changing out your underwear, and I have like the best from Amazon. And I feel like they're always running a sale as well. So I have the cotton brief style as well as the thong. 2 recommendations I have just been on reorder for the last couple years. If you like a full brief option, definitely go with this one. If you're in between sizes, size up one. And then I have a thong style. I wear these probably the most. I just like that style, and those do run true to size. They're just the absolute best. So great if you're wearing leggings or dresses. These are no show. And speaking of leggings, okay guys, you have to check out these. I feel like I am such a firm believer, and you do not need to spend a ton of money at like Lululemon or Nordstrom for a good pair of leggings. Here is just another pair I've recently discovered that feels so similar to high-end brands. The fit is beautiful. I decided to go with the pop of blue for spring. Nice stretchy waistband. The length is perfect. I want to go ahead and grab like the pink or something. Another bright color for spring, but I love to throw this on with like a white workout top, or it's great to just wear around casually. They do run true to size and they are squat proof. But continuing on with a really good white top. This is a closet staple. This little white tunic top, wearing size small, it is more oversized, but the fabric on this is incredible. It is so soft and stretchy, a nice crew neck style. It does actually feature the little thumb holes in it, but it cinches around the wrist area. Perfect length. It's just a spring, really all year round must have, great for layering or wearing on its own. But it's long enough to cover the bum, which is great. If you enjoyed today's Amazon favorite video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss a future video. We talk Amazon at least one time a week here and would love to have you join. Have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye-bye.